Welcome to Daily AI Brief, where we dive into the cutting edge advancements shaping the technology landscape. Today, we're exploring breakthroughs that redefine what's possible in AI, from blazing fast voice interactions to game changing infrastructure innovations. Whether you're tweaking a neural network or orchestrating a Kubernetes deployment, this episode is packed with insights you won't want to miss. Salesforce AI Research has unveiled a potentially game changing innovation in the world of voice interaction: VoiceAgentRAG. This dual agent architecture aims to drastically cut latency, reportedly achieving a 316x reduction in retrieval time, a significant boost that could transform how voice assistants interact with users. VoiceAgentRAG incorporates two critical components. The first is the slow thinker, which proactively prefetches documents into a semantic cache, anticipating possible future queries. This prefetching happens in the background, optimizing the resources needed. The second is the fast talker, which accesses cached data to provide quick responses. By leveraging semantic caching, this method bypasses the need for extensive database queries during interactions, significantly speeding up response times. The numbers are intriguing. A 316x reduction in latency suggests that the system can drastically enhance real-time voice interactions, pushing them closer to true human-like speed. Sub-second time to first audio, TTFA, is now possible, offering near instantaneous feedback to user input, a leap forward from previous capabilities. To break it down technically, the slow thinker builds a semantic cache based on predicted follow-up topics, pulling from a rich dataset that prepares the system for anticipated interactions. Meanwhile, the fast talker minimizes the typical round-trip time by accessing prefetched information directly from memory, thus eliminating time-consuming database queries. This architecture not only speeds up the process, but also enhances the conversation's fluidity by maintaining topic relevance without perceptible lags. Additionally, Salesforce's advancements in AI-driven testing have helped further reduce latency bottlenecks. AI algorithms detect potential slowdowns in real time, allowing for immediate corrections and optimizations within the system. This has notably contributed to achieving sub-second response times, setting a high benchmark for other similar technologies. However, there are still trade-offs to consider. The system's effectiveness in varied contexts isn't fully validated. While promising, the claims of latency improvement depend heavily on specific implementation details. Furthermore, the integration of dual-agent systems into existing infrastructures could pose compatibility challenges that need addressing. For those looking to experiment with VoiceAgentRAG, the open-source project is available on Arxiv. Implementing dual-agent architectures or testing semantic caching in existing AI systems could provide valuable hands-on insights. Check Salesforce's official blogs for detailed metrics and replication guidance. In a world where speed and responsiveness in AI interactions are becoming increasingly essential, this dual-agent approach by Salesforce could set a new standard, paving the way for more human-like AI-driven voice systems. ScaleOps has made waves by securing $130 million in Series C funding to advance its autonomous infrastructure solutions. This investment aims to enhance AI workload management in an increasingly complex tech landscape, positioning ScaleOps as a formidable player in AI infrastructure. ScaleOps' core offerings center around optimizing Kubernetes resource allocation, crucial for efficiently managing containerized applications. The tools automate resource management using real-time data analytics, aiming to reduce cloud costs by as much as 80%. APIs are available for seamless integration with existing AI frameworks, offering an analytic interface for performance tracking. At its heart, the solution employs machine learning to predict resource utilization, enabling dynamic scaling. By using Kubernetes, ScaleOps orchestrates not only the deployment of applications, but also their scaling and operations dynamically across varying hardware environments. This is particularly vital as AI applications become more demanding and widespread. The numbers speak for themselves. An estimated 80% reduction in cloud expenditures showcases the economic advantage of their solutions, with previous funding rounds supporting this trajectory. To put this into perspective, a typical enterprise spending several million dollars annually on cloud services could potentially save millions by switching to ScaleOps solutions. Yet, challenges lurk beneath the surface. Success hinges on seamless integration with existing systems, and questions linger over data security amidst automated operations. While ScaleOps promises significant savings, implementation requires careful planning and execution to mitigate risks such as misallocation of resources, which could degrade application performance. Further, businesses must weigh the risks of potential downtime during the transition to fully automated systems. To explore ScaleOps capabilities, developers can access API integration examples on their GitHub repository or opt for a demo of their AI infra product. This enables enterprises to see firsthand how these autonomous infrastructures can streamline AI operations, illustrating potential performance enhancements in application response times and overall system efficiency. Additionally, checking their official documentation can guide implementation teams through the technical landscape of integrating ScaleOps solutions into existing operations. As ScaleOps pushes the envelope, it highlights a broader industry shift towards enhanced AI management solutions, charting a course for more efficient, scalable AI deployments. The funding and subsequent product enhancements reflect a growing need for sophisticated infrastructure solutions that can adapt to the rapid evolution of AI workloads and their increasing demands on cloud resources. With investor interest indicating high confidence, ScaleOps may very well lead a transformative wave in how AI infrastructures are operated, with potential ripple effects across the tech industry and beyond. Rebellions, a South Korean AI chip startup, is capturing global attention with its recent $400 million pre-IPO funding round, elevating its valuation to an impressive $2.34 billion. This substantial injection of capital is indicative of a broader shift in the AI industry, highlighting the increasing focus on scalable deployment of AI models rather than solely on model training. At the core of Rebellion's innovation are their AI inference chips, specialized hardware designed to optimize the performance of AI applications in practical, real-world scenarios. These chips are tailored to improve efficiency in inference tasks, processes where trained AI models are used to make predictions or decisions, which is crucial as enterprises strive to harness AI capabilities more effectively. Inference tasks are often more computation-intensive and can benefit significantly from dedicated hardware that enhances speed and accuracy. This strategic focus comes at a critical time. From September 2025 to March 2026, Rebellion's valuation experienced a remarkable rise from $1.4 billion to $2.34 billion. This growth trajectory represents not only financial backing, but also confidence in Rebellion's technological capabilities. Despite this optimistic outlook, Rebellions faces substantial competition, especially from industry titans like NVIDIA, Grok, and Cerebras, which have long dominated the AI hardware market. To capitalize on this momentum, Rebellions plans to utilize the recent funding to expand into the U.S. market, where they aim to establish partnerships with major AI laboratories such as Meta and xAI. These partnerships are expected to drive further innovation, enhancing Rebellion's chances of gaining a competitive foothold in a market characterized by rapid technological advancement and fierce competition. For developers and technology enthusiasts interested in cutting-edge AI hardware, following Rebellion's updates through their official newsroom provides insight into their technological advancements and strategic partnerships. These developments are crucial to understanding how Rebellion's offerings differentiate from those of established players, especially in terms of performance efficiency and scalability. The significance of this funding extends beyond Rebellion's immediate market entry. It reflects a wider industry trend towards optimizing AI deployments by advancing inference tasks, steering away from solely focusing on infrastructure upgrades. This trend is expected to influence future directions in AI solutions, indicating a shift towards exploring new application frontiers that leverage sophisticated AI hardware, potentially offering enterprises diversified options for implementing AI technologies. Challenges persist, including adapting to the competitive U.S. market landscape and ensuring acceptance of new hardware solutions. However, with strategic investor backing and a focused R&D agenda, Rebellions is poised to significantly disrupt existing market dynamics. Observing the evolution of these partnerships and their technological impacts will be crucial for stakeholders invested in the future of AI hardware. Amazon's new framework, Evolve, presents a groundbreaking shift in developing autonomous AI agents. This framework is designed to automate optimization without the need for manual tuning, thereby bringing a new level of adaptability to AI systems and transforming how they interact with their environments. Technical mechanisms. Evolve is particularly notable for its use of accumulated improvement signals to facilitate dynamic adaptation across a broad spectrum of conditions. It implements a multifaceted approach through 3 adaptive strategies. The local adaptation adjusts exploration intensity within candidate solutions, allowing agents to fine-tune their processes based on performance feedback. Global adaptation employs bandit-based scheduling for resource allocation, which optimizes the distribution of computational resources across different solution populations. This method ensures that more promising paths receive the attention they deserve, enhancing overall system efficiency. The meta-guidance component is another innovative aspect, creating new tactics inspired by previously successful solutions. This layer ensures that when current methods plateau, the system can generate fresh approaches based on historical data, keeping the evolution continuous and strategic. Performance and potential. Evolve reportedly outperforms existing systems in 185 open-ended optimization problems, an impressive benchmark that underscores its potential applicability across diverse tasks. By minimizing the need for manual tuning, it improves operational efficiency and enhances the autonomous operation of large language models, LLMs, in handling dynamic tasks. Yet, the framework's effectiveness in real-world applications still needs comprehensive validation. There are uncertainties regarding its scalability when faced with varied optimization challenges. Testing across multiple domains is essential to establish its robustness outside controlled environments. Practical applications. For those interested in exploring Evolve further, accessing its GitHub repository offers implementation details crucial for developers. Engaging with the demo models on the Amazon Machine Learning blog provides practical insights into its capabilities. Comparative testing between Evolve and other optimization techniques can also shed light on its relative advantages and limitations. Implications for AI development. Evolve stands as a potential game changer for the field of AI. By enabling systems that self-optimize and adapt in real time, it could significantly reduce the time and resources currently dedicated to manual tuning efforts in enterprise applications. This ability for continuous self-improvement marks a considerable advancement in the development of complex AI applications. Customarily burdened by static configurations, AI systems could now evolve with their operational environments, leading to smarter, more responsive, autonomous agents. Future considerations. While Evolve's promise is evident, several questions remain regarding its practical deployment. The framework is still in research, and its long-term reliability and scalability have yet to be demonstrated in real-world settings. Discussions about whether human oversight is essential for such autonomous systems, as well as ethical considerations, continue to shape the discourse around this innovative technology. Despite these uncertainties, Evolve is poised to significantly impact AI development, potentially fostering the next generation of intelligent, adaptable systems. Agent Infra has launched the AIO Sandbox, a groundbreaking effort to streamline AI development environments by consolidating essential computing components into a single Docker container. This all-in-one solution integrates elements like browsers, shells, file systems, and MCP services into one cohesive unit, addressing the often cumbersome nature of AI agent development. With its unique design, the AIO Sandbox provides several technical advantages. One of its key features is seamless file sharing, facilitated by a unified file system, which allows for efficient data management across various applications. This enhances interoperability and creates smoother development workflows. Furthermore, the inclusion of multi-interface access options like VNC for browser interaction and a WebSocket terminal for shell commands ensures developers have the tools they need to efficiently manage projects within the sandbox. The integration with the Multi-Container Protocol (MCP) service is particularly noteworthy. By allowing APIs and MCP servers to invoke each other, The Sandbox supports the creation and operation of complex, interlinked applications. This feature is crucial for enterprises looking to reduce complexity and improve operational efficiency. While Agent Infra aims to improve startup times within the AIO Sandbox, the exact metrics of such improvements are not yet disclosed. However, the claim of optimized environments designed to handle stateless requests efficiently indicates a promising reduction in overhead times. Developers will find the inclusion of a code server offering a VS Code-like environment especially advantageous. This familiar interface helps bridge the gap between traditional development tools and modern AI development needs, improving user experience and integration ease. However, potential users should be aware of certain challenges. Initial deployment of the AIO Sandbox may vary in complexity depending on specific application requirements and existing system configurations. The tool's long-term support relies on community engagement and open-source sustainability, which may influence adoption rates across the AI development community. For those interested in exploring the capabilities of the AIO Sandbox, the official documentation on Agent Infra's website provides a comprehensive guide, and the GitHub repository offers access to code examples and contribution guidelines. Running sample applications available in the Sandbox can be an excellent way to familiarize oneself with its environment and capabilities. By consolidating development environments, the AIO Sandbox has the potential to redefine AI application development processes. It could lead to more efficient collaboration and faster iteration cycles, setting a new standard in the development of AI tools and applications. A report reveals a staggering reality. 97% of healthcare data goes untapped, primarily due to connectivity issues. This challenge is especially poignant in the infusion therapy sector, where smart technologies generate vast but underutilized data. Healthcare data is often fragmented due to diverse systems lacking interoperability. Smart infusion devices increase data availability, yet integration shortfalls hamper its potential utility. Unstructured data formats further complicate aggregation and analysis. Addressing these fragmentation issues is crucial to unlocking the data's full potential. The home infusion therapy market, projected to grow to $77.34 billion by 2033, highlights the urgency for improved connectivity, which could drive significant advancements in patient outcomes and operational efficiencies. To fully capitalize on this growth, healthcare providers can leverage platforms that facilitate seamless data integration across systems, thus ensuring that information is not only accessible but also actionable. Implementing data integration platforms can serve as a foundational step. These platforms are designed to bridge diverse and siloed systems, enabling interoperability that ensures data can be effectively utilized across multiple applications and devices. A focus on structuring data into standardized formats is also imperative to streamline aggregation and analysis. However, cybersecurity remains a pressing concern, particularly for Internet of Medical Things, IoT, devices, such as smart infusion pumps. These devices are susceptible to data breaches that could compromise patient safety and privacy. Deploying strong cybersecurity measures, including encryption and secure access protocols, is essential for protecting sensitive information. Evaluating current data utilization rates is another critical step for healthcare organizations. With Arcadia's study indicating that 47% of data is underutilized in decision-making, identifying and addressing gaps can provide clearer insights into areas requiring urgent attention and investment. This proactive approach ensures that the potential of healthcare data is not squandered, but instead utilized to enhance decision-making processes, tailor treatment plans, and improve overall patient care. Optimizing data connectivity within healthcare systems can fundamentally transform the industry by converting vast informational reserves into actionable insights. This transformation not only has the potential to improve patient outcomes, but can also streamline operations, reduce costs, and drive innovations in treatment protocols, particularly in the burgeoning field of infusion therapies. Moreover, these advancements could pave the way towards more patient-centric models, fostering partnerships across technology companies and healthcare providers, and potentially influencing future regulatory frameworks surrounding healthcare data usage. Anthropic has experienced a significant surge in paid subscriptions for its advanced AI service, Claude. Reports indicate that since October 2025, the number of paid subscriptions has more than doubled, signifying a major milestone in customer engagement and acceptance. This upward trend reflects the growing reliance on and integration of AI solutions across diverse sectors. A driving force behind this surge is the strategic introduction of the Claude Max, subscription plans with two levels: expanded usage and maximum flexibility. These offerings are tailor-made for both personal and enterprise users who demand more from their AI tools. The expanded usage plan, priced at $100 per month, offers usage limits that are 5 times higher than the standard Pro plan. Meanwhile, the maximum flexibility plan, at $200 per month, provides an astonishing 20-fold increase in usage limits. Both plans also grant subscribers priority access to the latest AI models and features, positioning Claude as a robust competitor against industry leaders like OpenAI's ChatGPT. Financially, these innovations have propelled Claude's revenue run rate beyond the $2.5 billion mark, contributing to Anthropic's overall revenue run rate of an impressive $14 billion by April 2026. These figures underscore the effectiveness of Claude's subscription strategies in catering to market demands for scalable and advanced AI capabilities. Despite the achievements, challenges persist. The long-term impact of these subscription tiers on user retention and overall market share must be assessed. Furthermore, competition from established players like OpenAI continues to pose a potential threat to Anthropic's market position. For users interested in maximizing the potential of Claude's offerings, exploring the comprehensive subscription options on the Anthropic website is highly recommended. Implementing enhancements like file creation and third-party service connectors can significantly optimize AI workflows. Engaging with community forums can also provide valuable insights into maximizing the platform's utility based on direct user experiences. In summary, Claude's subscription growth highlights the burgeoning demand for AI-driven solutions. It also marks a strategic shift towards offering more flexible, consumer-friendly services that are essential for meeting the dynamic needs of modern users. As this trend continues, it's expected that Anthropic will explore even more tailored solutions to maintain its competitive edge in the evolving AI landscape. As we wrap up today's episode, it's clear that AI innovations continue to escalate in speed, scale, and scope. Whether you're adopting new frameworks or evaluating enterprise solutions, staying informed and curious is key. Join us next time on Daily AI Brief for more insights into the rapidly evolving world of AI technology.